Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix the JavaScript error for the main process for the disk card. This is a problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step you will close the disk card for the task manager. Then right click to end task. Okay. Then second step run as admin the disk card. You see the icon, then right click to the properties to be equal to the converting mode. You will enable the run program in converting mode and same type using for the run program as an administrator. You will click the enable to get apply, get OK. The next step for allow the apps for the Windows Defender firewall. Then get open the control panel, click to the all control panel items. Click to the Windows Defender firewall, click to the Allowed app. Then you will see the discard.exe. Then click to the private and public, click to enable. Okay. Then this two step is finished to you get check this error for not fix it to you will get uninstall to reinstall the discard. Okay. If you open the settings, you will see the discard option. You will click to uninstall to get reinstall. Okay. Then this is the main method for an uninstall to reinstall to this is the problem for solve it. Okay. Then this is the not solved to you will print the command. I will tell the more steps. Okay. Then thank you for watching.